What are the benefits of stem cell therapy? Stem cell therapy offers hope to patients who are faced with chronic conditions, injuries, and difficult-to-treat diseases. Boosting the body's own regenerative power, stem cells can repair damaged tissues, reduce inflammation, and accelerate the recovery process. For people with chronic conditions like arthritis, spinal injuries, heart disease, multiple sclerosis, stroke, or autism, this therapy brings new possibilities of recovery. It's not just about treatment, it's about improving quality of life, restoring mobility, and giving hope where there once was none. To learn more about stem cell therapy, subscribe to our profile.
Doctors at Monash Medical Centre have developed a world-first stem cell treatment that could change the lives of thousands of stroke patients. As Madeline Slattery explains, the surgery can be administered extremely fast when timing is critical.
Just 8 weeks ago, Kevin Baird was unable to move half his body after suffering a stroke during an angiogram. His situation was so dire, doctors had little option but to trial a new stem cell surgery which had never been used in humans.
I was told that I was the first one in Australia. I've later been told that it was the first one in the world.
This will affect the immune system and stop the attack on the brain cells.
Doctors at the Monash Medical Centre infused Kevin twice in the space of 5 hours. There was no need to find out if his cells would match with those from the placenta.
In fact, any placenta, because the amazement about this type of cells is that it doesn't need matching or culture. You can just take it out and then re-inject it back, compared to all the other stem cells where you have to match and culture.
The beef farmer from Glenburn is now on the road to recovery. Movement is back in his right side. His speech has returned too.
It was a small clinical trial at Stanford that involved an experimental treatment with special stem cells. The doctors are stunned and the patients are overjoyed.
5 years ago, Sonia Kuntz suffered a stroke that severely damaged her brain. In the trial, Steinberg drilled a tiny hole into the patient's skull and using a very fine needle, injected modified human adult stem cells around the stroke.
We put them around the stroke, and that's where they do their thing to recover the function.
My name is Paul. I'm from Australia. 4 years ago I suffered a stroke and I was told that I would never walk again. Stem cell research fascinated me, and the involvement in using stem cells to repair damage to the brain after a stroke was something that I was very interested in. After the first 2 days of treatment, small miracles began to happen. The spasticity in my left leg disappeared. The strength in my left hand equaled my right hand. The weakness in my left hip disappears. I feel as though I'm only getting better.
Let's take a look at Gracie before she had a stem cell infusion.
Blow!
Candles!
We are hand heated. Blow your candles! Okay.
Ready? I'll help you. 1, 2, 3.
How are things going these days for you?
It's going really good. I'm in 7th grade now. I'm getting a lot of A's and B's. And I love school.
You know, Gracie, it's so nice to meet you, and you're thriving and smiling, and we're so happy for you. And
beliau merupakan pesakit yang mengalami sakit lutut yang agak kronik. Di mana apabila beliau berjumpa dengan kami, keadaannya tidak membenarkan untuk berjalan kerana kesakitan yang amat di bahagian kedua-dua lututnya.
Okey, makcik jalan ni. 1.
Okey.
2.
Bagus puan.
3.
Okey.
4.
Bagus puan.
5.